You are going to love 2021 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $95,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, power brakes, ambient lighting. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.